Yes, if you don't know some, if you don't know why you're here, we're baby Nayaka, or you want or Chiwano, everyone, Doctor Sunshine or Morocco, or Yoba or Binikido, the normal Jamua or Shaganity. Namudia Hessins or Rene, Magbera Vane, the latest album of Dr. Sunshine. The stars for the only producer, Emma Yina, Bright O audio disc. Come and grab your copy now. Do dog when now. Oh, what ladian? Now ladian. Give me have your email now. Have me if your name and it be or whenever I can name. So where you do your work? Magbera Vane. Ekene ate tona ya gbera wa ne ni boni boru we iyo momo e yaru we ude oru we re ba le gbe de mi ma de yo si e yare wa no te wi ma kin afe no to re ni no sa u we e yaji of wa gbe zeven wa ya ti won me benu wa ya pe won me o wa na rere na pe won na allow down o wa ni kin afe o. Emi ya friend wa marching over 2019. This 2020, oh, Bawayabo, you need Jason Chrissy. Come and take your hold now of Wagbo, Magbera Ramen, and our Latin. You are blessed.